haul! Ukulele. Ma, 3 plus. A disco ball. Chocolate chip cookie cottage kit. Then, Hello Kitty Sunshine Park build set. Ang cute! Saan natin i-display? Doodle water bottle set. Not for children under 3 years, only for 3 years and above. 12 days of socks. I know, show! Punch out each compartment for a mystery pair of socks every day. Advent calendar but socks version. Hello Kitty styling figure. Oh. Ala, puro Hello Kitty. Oh my god! Hello Kitty collectible minifigures. Peanuts. Minifigures. Minifigure Stitch. Sailor Moon. Backpack Tanner. More minifigure. Donald Duck. Minnie Mouse. Pluto. Mickey Mouse. Figaro. SpongeBob. Okay, open na natin to. Let's open Sailor Moon. Ang liit. Ay, ang cute! Ang cute! Oh my gosh! Ang cute! Wow! So cute! The mystery box. Hello Kitty mystery box. First box. What are we gonna get? Unboxing. Oh my god, suspense. Nakabag pa siya. Oh my god! Who's this? Look!
Ay,
ano? Tissue?
di ba ganyan yung mga collection mo noon? Collection talaga yun.
Look! This one is... Sino to? Sino to? Oh my god! It's the rare one. Rare daw. Rare daw siya. Wala siya dito. I hope hindi the same yung nakuha ko. Pal.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Hindi, iba. Magkaiba. Iba yung strap.
Ibang dalawang beses, dalawang nabili ko nito.
Ang
Siguro
cute!
na-double.
Look, ma. Ma, look.
Oh, wow.
This one is donut. Donut. Ah, my God. Additional to my collection. So cute. 12 days of socks. Let's open. Sabi punch daw, punch. Mystery box. Meron na tayong 12 na socks. Bakit ano? Ayaw. Oh my God. Ang hirap naman tanggalin to. Paano naging mystery box to? Sobrahan ng mystery. Hindi na lumabas yung item. Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! Grabe naman yung nag-packaging na ito. Look at the socks.
For babies?
No, it's just like nakatupi like that. Okay, let's build this Hello Kitty Sunshine Park build set. Bambaram!
Double pala siya, Judie. Mas malaki. O, tapos may lalagyan ng credit card. Oh, what do you think?
Oh my God, like Lego. Look. We're gonna do that. Akala ko nandito si... Andito si Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty's here. So, I'll do it in a different time.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow. lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fire.